In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backdrop in Canva. Whether you're designing a thumbnail, a presentation slide, or a social media graphic, a clean backdrop sets the tone and makes everything else easier to read. I'll walk you through simple color backdrops, subtle gradients, patterns, and graphics, and how to use photos as your background, so you can pick the style that fits your project. Start by opening Canva and either creating a new design at the size you need or opening an existing file you want to update. Once your canvas is on screen, click directly on the blank background. This tells Canva you're editing the base layer, not an element on top. At the top toolbar, look for the color icon, which appears as a small colored square or palette. Click it to choose a solid color that suits your brand or mood. If you want something with a little depth, scroll within that panel to find gradients. Gradients blend two or more colors and instantly add dimension without clutter. Pick one that complements your content, especially if you plan to place text over it. Contrast helps readability. If you want more personality, head to the Elements tab on the left panel. In the search bar, type patterns or a specific idea, like abstract shapes, paper texture, or geometric. Click any pattern or graphic to add it to your canvas. From there, you can drag the corners to fill the space and position it where it feels balanced. If the look feels too busy, consider softening it by reducing transparency or choosing lighter tones so your main message still stands out. You can also build a backdrop with a photo, which is great for lifestyle or product-focused designs. Add an image from your uploads or browse Canva's photo library to find something high quality and relevant. Once the photo is on the canvas, right-click it and select Set Image as background. You can also select the image and use the toolbar option to do the same thing. To fine-tune the framing, double-click the image. This lets you reposition the subject or scale the photo so key details aren't hidden behind text or graphics. Aim for a composition that leaves comfortable space for headlines and logos. That's it. Thanks for watching.